All right, what's up, guys? We got a lot to talk about today, so let's go ahead and try to get started as fast as we can. But before we do, I just want to let you guys know that we are extending the giveaway and I'm adding to it. I'm now adding one of my prize possession investments. I'm adding a Mega Charizard UPC, which we will actually be talking about. Wink, wink, wink. In a little bit here. So, along with the Prismatic Booster Bundle, we will now be adding a Mega Charizard UPC. All you gotta do is subscribe, like the video, and comment down below what your thoughts on how the Pokemon market will be in 2026. So let's get started. All right. So first of all, starting off, revisiting Prismatic Evolutions. I think in the last video, these were sitting at around like 52, 53, 54, somewhere around there. And we are back at, let's see here. We're back at October prices. So what is it, like 3 months ago? Bang, back at October prices. This is apparently when the doom and gloom market, the quote unquote correction was supposed to be happening. But as you can see, it's pretty we're just chopping here in terms of market price. And on the month, we are actually up 2.45%. So all you doom and gloom bear market correctionists, it's like a big fat dick, because we are not going anywhere other than stagnating right now. And we're gonna see $1,000 per booster bundle soon. But yeah, no, all jokes aside, the Pokemon market is still, it's stronger than ever. Well, not stronger than ever, but it did take a little dip, I'll be honest. But as you can see, I mean, booster bundles for Prismatic are almost at $60 again. And that's when I'll be taking profit, to be honest, because they're dropping at Sam's Club in a little bit here, I'm pretty sure, with those surprise box and booster bundle, those 2-pack things. And I picked up a ton of booster bundles when they were down low here. Picked them a lot of them up at like $50. So I'll just take some profit there, to be honest, and I'll average dollar cost average down or up actually when we get to that point. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking profits on these, and I'll also be taking profits on these pretty soon too, because I mean, as you can see, dude, we're only down 1% on the month. Obviously, on the 3-month, we've taken a big fat dip because they've been dropping like literally everywhere. Dollar General just got their shipments in. I picked up a ton of those at like I had this one dealer. I mean, dude, he was just going around town stealing all the Dollar General ETBs. Picked them up from him for like $85. So I'll be taking profit around that 120 mark for sure. And then waiting to re-enter once it gets, hopefully, if it gets down. I don't know if it will. If it gets down to here, again, 110. So I can pick them up for like $90 again. That would be my play, to be honest. I know a lot of people are like, oh yeah, hold long term, this and that. But guys, I mean, in the Pokemon market, it's really about just getting in and out. And that's called scalping. But you guys aren't ready for that conversation, right? That's the best way to make money. But you guys aren't ready for that conversation because you've been taught to hate scalpers. Well, the bank talks, all right? That's all I can say. So yeah, these two definitely going to be taking some profits on in the near future. Now I want to talk about the Mega Charizard X EX Ultra Premium Collection. Oh my god, dude. Not even in our last video, I think this thing was sitting at like 138, and now guys, if you didn't listen to me, you really you hate money, to be honest. I'll be honest with you, you hate making money. All right, all these doom and gloom, hoping for the worst, quote unquote collectors, hating scalpers, willing to stone them at the stake. Guys, really? Come on. Oh, it's an MSRP. Oh, it's an MSRP. Oh, yeah? Not even a week later of these videos. A week ago, it was videos like, oh, yeah, bear market correction. Finally. we're gonna get products again. Nope. Nope. $30 above MSRP now. How you feel about them apples? All right. We are now sitting at 154 market price on these UPCs, and I will be looking to take profit around that $175 range. Okay. Because that just seems like where we're headed in the near future. It's gone up $30, $30 in what? 7 days? Oh, God. It's still not too late. All right. If you're not in yet, get in on these. I see a lot of Facebook Marketplace listings around 140. If you can get it at the 140, $145 range, I really don't think there's no risk. I mean, UPCs in the long term, they're always a great investment, okay? And these people are saying like, "Oh, you're printing 3x of these UPCs." Guys, how much do you think they can really print? Yeah, they printed 3 times or whatever bullshit amount of times more than the 151 and more than the other Charizard UPCs, but those were in totally different markets. There are hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of people just like me hoarding these UPCs. That's just gonna drive the price up. They're not gonna be as liquid as you guys think. They might be sitting at GameStop for a while at $200, but if you really think about it, that's a $200 entry point. People are not going to just try to resell it and lose like $60 off rip. They're going to hold it for years and years and years to come. All right. I mean, if you don't see that right now, you're an idiot. All right. That's all I got to say. You're an idiot and you hate money. So yeah, investors, just like this guy's saying, investors will just buy 10 times the product and leave us with a small amount. Exactly. Just like me, hundreds and thousands, maybe millions of other people are just hoarding this Pokemon and just dumping it at a later date, taking profit. I mean, it's clear as day. All right, guys. If you don't know how to make money and you just following the trends of hating people that are making money, I mean, you gotta get your money up. I'm sorry. That's just projecting. All right. So yeah. I believe in 2026 we're gonna have a amazing market for Pokemon, especially with the 30-year anniversary coming out and that new set, Ascended Heroes. Oh my god, it's got so many banger Pokemon and the arts, chef's kiss, top notch, guys. So if you don't see that the Pokemon market is still strong, you've got to do your research, guys, because Jesus Christ. I can't wait for the next video in a couple days. These will probably be sitting at $125. And the booster bundle is probably going to be sitting at $61 or $62. Mark my words on that, all right? See you soon.